What's up, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Adobe Lightroom on your PC or Mac. First, click the link in the description below to head over to Adobe's official site. Once you're there, hit the free trial option. Then select the business plan, which gives you a 14-day free trial, plenty of time to dive into Lightroom and explore all the photo editing magic. Click Continue, enter your email address, and press Continue again. You'll need to fill out a quick form with your personal details and payment info. No worries, Adobe won't charge you until the trial ends, and you can cancel anytime before that. Once the form is done, click Agree and subscribe. Next, create a secure password for your new Adobe account. After that, you'll be prompted to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Install it, then log in with the same email address you just used. Once Creative Cloud is open, head to the Apps tab, find Adobe Lightroom, and click Install. And that's it. Adobe Lightroom is now ready to go. Start editing your photos and bringing out all their amazing details. Plus, you'll get access to all the other excellent tools in the Creative Cloud Pro Suite. Don't forget, click the link in the description to try Adobe Lightroom and the full Creative Cloud Pro Suite for free today. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more.